we want to multiply the following fractions. We have P over Q times R over S. When multiplying fractions, we multiply the tops. P times R is PR, and we multiply the bottoms. Q times S is QS. Let's just use an example with numbers to remind ourselves. If we have 2/3 times 2/5, we do 2 times 2, which is 4, divided by 3 times 5, which is 15. We can see that we did the same above with our algebraic quantities. Now let's look at a squared over 2b times b squared over a. This one would be more like 2/5 multiplied by 3/8. There is some cancelling that can be done here. 2 goes into 2 once, and into 8 4 times. Remember, cancelling must always be done between the top and the bottom. We then have 1 times 3, which is 3, over 5 times 4, which is 20. Looking at this one, we can see there's some cancelling. B will cancel with b squared, leaving a b on the top. A goes into a once, and into a squared a times, leaving a 1 on the bottom and an a on the top. We then have a times b on the top, and on the bottom 2 times 1. Now consider 3ab over 7 multiplied by 14 over a squared. 7 goes into 7 once and into 14 twice. The a on the top here will also cancel with the a squared on the bottom, leaving 1 on the top and a on the bottom. That's all the cancelling, so we have 3b multiplied by 2, which is 6b. On the bottom, we just have 1 times a, which is a. Now consider 2a over 3b times 9a over 8b. 2 goes into 2 once and into 8 4 times. 3 goes into 3 once and into 9 3 times. There's no more cancelling. We have a times 3a on the top. A times 3a would be 3a squared. So the top is 3a squared. On the bottom we have 1b multiplied by 4b. b times 4b would be 4b squared.